Manage your machine with Landscape. Sudo pro enable Landscape to install the Landscape Client package, and enter the Landscape Client configuration wizard. Landscape Client registers with Landscape SaaS, which is short for Software as a Service. It can also register with a self-hosted Landscape server. Name your computer or use the machine's host name as the name. If using Landscape SaaS, specify your unique account name. Registration keys are optional, but useful for preventing unknown machines from joining your fleet. Network proxy configurations will only affect Landscape Client. Congratulations! The Landscape Client configuration wizard is complete. This is a summary of the information provided in the wizard, and a command that can be copied and pasted into other machines to configure Landscape Client manually, without the wizard.